Insinuation is a noun that refers to an indirect or subtle suggestion or implication, often of something negative or accusatory, without stating it directly. It can also refer to the act of making such a suggestion or implication. Insinuations are often made in a subtle or cunning way and can be intended to create doubts or suspicions about a person or situation. The word insinuation comes from the Latin insinuatio, which means to make something known by hinting. The word was first used in English in the late 16th century, and it has since then retained its original meaning, which is to hint or suggest something indirectly. In the past, the word has been used in both positive and negative context, but today it is mostly used in a negative sense to describe a sly or underhanded remark or suggestion. Throughout history, the use of insinuation has been prevalent in various forms of communication, from casual conversations to formal speeches, literature, and political discourse. In literature, insinuation has been used as a literary device to create a sense of subtlety and intrigue. For example, in Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice, the narrator uses insinuation to hint at the true feelings of the characters without directly stating them. In politics, insinuation is often used as a tool for persuasion or manipulation. Politicians may use insinuation to imply a negative characteristic or past action of their opponents without directly stating it. In everyday life, insinuation is used in conversations and interactions as a way to express a point of view or make a suggestion in a subtle or non-confrontational way. It can also be used as a tool to avoid responsibility for the implications of what is being said. In many cases, insinuation is considered manipulative, underhanded, and dishonorable. It can be used to spread rumors or to make accusations without evidence. An example of an insinuation would be if someone said, "I heard that the company's financial situation isn't as stable as they claim it to be," implying that the company may be hiding financial problems, without actually stating that they are. Another example would be if someone said, "I wonder how that person got that promotion, they must have had some help," implying that the promotion was not earned through merit, without stating it directly. I hope that this has been able to help ease your understanding of the word insinuation, and as a result, you are better able to apply it in your personal or professional vocabulary in the respective setting. Thank you for listening in.